Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Fish It Guide Tips and Tricks for Beginners. So here I'll be giving you some tips and tricks for beginners here at Fish It Guide. So here I'll be showing you some stuff that a few notice about Fish It. So I'll be giving you three useful tips for you guys. First tip for you guys is once you're here playing the game and you're gonna choose a boat, I suggest very good, highly choosing always the jet ski. Jet ski is the best boat, has two passengers, and handling is very high, about um, as you can see above average handling. So it's very high. And when you're gonna look at other boats, for example, right here, handling not that good, not good, and it's only worth a few thousand. Like I think it's only worth 7,500. There we go. 7,500 k. So it's a that's very cheap for a top speed. Look at the speed right there. Speed is very fast rather than any of this. But this one right here only increased a little bit by 10%, 10%. But overall, this is the fastest one and the most cheapest if you are playing this game to grind and solo. I suggest always using the jet ski for grinding. And second tip for you guys, when you're playing this Fish It. So Fish It right here, I suggest always right here. I suggest when you're gonna start Fish It, I suggest always start buying what do you call this, your rods immediately when you got the maximum. So I suggest going start before you go anywhere like Adventure Time or do anything. I suggest getting the lucky rod right here. This green lucky rod right here. Then here at the bait, also you need to get this one right here, midnight bait. After you get the midnight bait and the lucky rod right here, I suggest going around the map. Yeah, I suggest doing that. There you go. There you go. So it's doing that. Another tip for you guys when you're playing Fish It for you guys. This one, few people always miss this out. I suggest for you guys right here. We're gonna go right here. I suggest having yourself some of this fish radar right here. So right here, when we buy the fish radar right here, so when we start gonna use the fish radar, as you can see, there you go. Say we're on it, as you can see right there, fish radar. So it gives us like the most maximum fish that we can get. There you go, as you can see. There you go, as you can see. So I suggest for you guys buying the fish radar early on the game. There you go. Just turning it on and off. There you go. So yeah, that's about it for my guide for you guys. So first, don't forget buy jet ski, and after buying jet ski, always go for the lucky rod before leaving this island, so you can enjoy lucky rod right there, and midnight right here, the midnight bait. After doing that, last one is always have yourself a fishing radar. There you go, as you can see. There you go. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it out in the comment below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. So yeah, guys. Thank you guys. Wait, I'm gonna catch this. Come on, come on. Link. E.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.